Hello guys on YouTube. Just thought I'd show you my matching Candy Grando washing machine and dryer. You can hear the dryer working now. It's got some great programs like extra dry, cupboard dry, hanger dry and iron dry, and it's got special programs, and then obviously the time, and you can change the temperature and it tells you when the filter's full, but never needed it. Really good dryer. Then there's my washer, which I'm sure you've all seen before. Using Daz with Lenore. Do this on a Cotton's 40. That's inside the dryer. Nice big drum. Is 8 kilos. The washer's only 6 kilos, so I've always got plenty of space. And the washer's off. And there you have it. A matching set.